Everyone, in our video 1 of the Earth our living planet, in that we have covered the topic latitudes. Now next we will deal with the longitudes. The imaginary lines that intersect equator at the right angles joining the north and south are called longitudes. As you can see on the screen, the vertical lines on the globe are called longitudes. The globe longitudes are shown as the series of semicircles that run from pole to pole passing through the equator. All the lines of longitude are of equal length. Lines of longitude are called meridians. Here, meri means mid and dians means day, because all the places along the same meridian of the longitude experience noon or midday at the same time. The meridian passing through Greenwich, England, has been chosen as prime meridian. It is marked as 0 degree longitude. There are 180 of longitudes to the east of Greenwich and 180 to the west. Thus, there are 360 of longitudes. The zone between the prime meridian and 180 east longitude is called eastern hemisphere. The opposite zone is called the western hemisphere. Now we will see about the longitude and time. There is a definite relation between longitude and time. The earth is rotating on its axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours. This means 360 longitudes are covered in a period of 24 hours. This gives rise to a time difference of 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude, 60 minutes or 1 hour for every 15 degree of longitude. Here 360 into 4 is equals to 1440 minutes, and when we have to convert this in the hours, we have to divide 60 divided 1440 should be divided by 60. That time it will convert in the hours and it is at 24 hours. Now we will see about the local time. The time according to the longitude of a place or according to the position of a sun at that place is known as local time. This is based on the local meridian passing over that place. When the sun is shining vertically over the longitude, it is 12 noon at that place. All places situated on the same meridian have the same local time. Every longitude has its own local time. Now after local time, we will deal with the standard time. As the local time varies from place to place, it could create considerable confusion if each place were to follow its own local time. In order to avoid confusion, many countries follow uniform time throughout the country. Such uniform time is based on the central meridian of the country or the meridian on which the most important city is located. This uniform time, which is followed throughout a country, is called standard time of that country. In India, 82.5 degree east longitude is considered as the standard meridian of the country. It passes through Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh. The time based on this meridian is called the Indian Standard Time. It is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. GMT means Greenwich Meridian Time. It is called as GMT. Now next we will deal with the time zones. In certain countries of the world where the longitudinal extent is so large, more than 45 degrees of longitude, that there is often a difference of 3 to 4 hours between one part and the other part. The land surface is divided into time zones. The whole globe is divided in 24 such time zones, so that the time in each zone differ from the other by only 1 hour. Large countries like Russia, USA, Canada, and Australia have vast longitudinal extent. Therefore, they have different time zones. Russia has 11 time zones, USA and Canada have 5 time zones, and Australia has 3 time zones, whereas India is having just 1 time zone. Now next we will deal with the international date line. The problem of time in countries of the world was solved first by the standard time and then by the zonal time. But the circumnavigation of the world brought a new problem in keeping the correct date and day in the week for the travelers. Here, circumnavigation means the act of traveling completely around somewhere, especially by sail. It is called as circumnavigation. Therefore, a line passing through 180 meridian diametrically opposite to the GMT was adopted as the point where circumnavigators should make adjustments. This line is supposed to pass Pacific Ocean along the 180 meridian but make short detours in order to avoid land masses. Here detours means diversion from one's own origin route. It is called as detour. Here it is. This is known as international date line because the date and day is changed whenever people cross this line by ships or aeroplanes. For example, any ship crossing this line from West Asia to North America to the east take a day twice, while the ship crossing this line from east North America to Asia to the west drops 1 day. Here we have completed all the things related to the longitudes, international date line, time zones. Hope it is clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section.